Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. These are the 10x42 binoculars from the company Wosports. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. I have a pair of hunting binoculars, but I wanted some inexpensive binoculars to keep in my truck. These have a nice box. It's got a magnetic closure. Let's take a look at the binoculars. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the clarity of them, but at least I can show you what they look like when they come in. Little instruction pamphlet, polishing cloth, a mount for your cell phone. This is pretty common. This is in case you want to put your cell phone on the binoculars and do video or photos through the binoculars using your cell phone. Nice neck strap for the binoculars. And then we have a strap for the carrying case as well. Binoculars come in a nice cloth soft case. This would be where you would run the strap through. It's got a Velcro closure. Not very quiet if you're going to be doing any hunting or anything like that, but it secures nice and tight. And then the binoculars themselves. Wow, these feel great. Waterproof multi-coated lenses. Again, 10x42 is the magnification. They have eyepieces that attach. You can also detach them if you want to, but I like these that stay attached. And then the nice thing is that they close actually nice and tight. Sometimes you get binoculars that the eyepieces are attached but they never stay closed, but these close great. Twist up eye cups. They do not have different levels. Sometimes you'll have some that twist out to a certain point and then they go out further. These you can stop at any point you want to. Got the nice thumb imprint, so when you're holding them, ergonomically they feel well. And then this would be where you run your neck strap through if you're looking to use the neck strap. Anyway, look nice, feel nice. That's a quick unboxing of the Wosport 10x42 binoculars. I hope it helps.